How to send large files via Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, what you need to do is you will need to head over to your PC and to your Google Chrome because sending large files via your mobile phone is not possible. Log in into your Gmail account and go to Compose in the left hand side. And then you need to go to the attachment icon and then choose the large file that you want to attach, hit open. Now, as you can see that your file is larger than 25 MB and it will be sent as a Google Drive link. So your file will be automatically converted to Google Drive link by your Gmail. So you'll need to wait for a while until it's loaded. And then you can see that it is set right there. You can open it up, you can check if the file is correct, and then you can just send it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.